Hey yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Jatoob, and today I'm playing FE2 testing. I will link this game in the description below because it's really cool, and I'm gonna solo sing a ship. Well, now singing ship is a bit too easy for me, so I've decided to solo it. So I actually haven't done it yet, so I'm gonna try. Okay, so let's join the elevator. Singing ship, both selected. Oh. By the way guys, my ping is really bad, so don't worry if there's like a little bit of lag. I think I'm still gonna beat it anyways. Okay, so our timing is not the best, but I think we can still make it. Okay, doing good. Too easy!